Welcome to JuPulse, your go-to source for crypto market insights from JuCoin. Today is May 9th, and we're breaking down everything you need to know about the current market landscape. From global macro trends and investor sentiment to key crypto indicators and Bitcoin's technical setup. Let's dive in. Macro market update. Bitcoin has reclaimed the $100,000 price level for the first time since January 2025, signaling renewed confidence across the crypto market. The global cryptocurrency market has soared past the $3 trillion mark, reaching a total market capitalization of $3.22 trillion, with Ethereum leading the charge with a 21% rally. However, geopolitical tensions have escalated, with Pakistan and India engaging in cross-border missile strikes and air engagement, raising concerns about potential impacts on global markets. Fear and Greed Index. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index currently reads 73, indicating a state of greed. Our take: investor sentiment is increasingly bullish, but such high levels of greed can precede market corrections. It's essential to remain vigilant and consider risk management strategies. Bitcoin dominance. BTC dominance is now at 64.31%, down slightly from 64.46%, a modest 0.23% daily dip. While still elevated, this small pullback suggests early signs of capital rotating into altcoins after BTC's recent lead. USDT dominance. USDT dominance has ticked up to 4.74%, rising slightly from 4.7%. This small move suggests mild risk-off behavior as some traders rotate back into stablecoins. It's not a major shift yet, but worth watching if the trend continues. Liquidation heat map. BTC is trading around 102.5k, and the heat map shows heavy long liquidation zones just below, especially between 98 to 99.5k. If price dips into this range, we could see some downside pressure. Above, lighter short liquidation clusters appear near 104 to 106k, but they're less dense, suggesting limited fuel for an immediate squeeze higher. Our take: downside risk is more pronounced short term. Momentum favors caution. Bitcoin technical analysis. We're analyzing BTC USD on the daily time frame, using volume, RSI, EMA10, and EMA20 as our core indicators. As mentioned in our previous JuPulse episode, after breaking out of the descending triangle pattern, Bitcoin has been trading within an ascending broadening wedge, a structure that's typically bearish. Despite that, BTC found strong support around 94k, broke above the 99k resistance, and is now testing the 105 to 106k zone. If bulls manage to push beyond this level, we could see a move toward a retest of the 109k all-time high. On the indicator side, EMA10 and EMA20 remain below the price and are acting as dynamic support, signaling a continued short to mid-term uptrend. However, volume is now dropping below the median line, and RSI has climbed to 76, placing it firmly in overbought territory, both signs of a potential cooldown or short-term pullback. The JuPulse verdict. Here's our current market outlook. Bullish factors. 1. Bitcoin broke out of a multi-month descending triangle and is now testing the 105 to 106k resistance zone. 2. BTC is holding well above the 100k psychological level, flipping it into support. 3. EMA10 and EMA20 are slopping upward and acting as dynamic support. 4. Overall market cap has reclaimed $3.2 trillion, with Ethereum leading a strong altcoin rally. 5. Elevated BTC dominance reflects the strength of Bitcoin's price action as capital continues flowing into BTC. Bearish factors. 1. RSI is overheated at 76, suggesting the market may be due for a cooldown. 2. Volume is tapering off below the median line, hinting at weakening momentum. 3. A previously formed ascending broadening wedge has now resolved, but historically these breakouts can lead to exhaustion. 4. USDT dominance is rising slightly, pointing to mid-risk off behavior. 5. Geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan add macro-level uncertainty. Our final verdict. The trend remains bullish, but conditions are overheating. A clean breakout above 106k could open the door to a 109k retest, while failure to hold current levels might lead to a pullback toward 100 to 98k. The key now is whether BTC can build volume and sustain momentum above 105k. That's where the market will tip its hand. Now, as we wrap up, we'd like to mention that this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Volatility remains high. Always manage your risk and stay flexible. By the way, if you're trading spot or futures, you can also earn extra USDT through the JuCoin Rewards Hub. Sign up through the link in the description and start stacking rewards today. If you found today's breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Got a question or a different take? Drop it below. We'd love to hear it. Catch you in the next one.